What's up, guys? Welcome to East West Beats. A lot of you have been asking me how to make acapellas out of an MP3 or a song that you have downloaded. Well, your wish is my command. I'm going to show you how to make acapellas. Alright, so what I did is I brought in two songs, one where it works pretty well and one where it works pretty, like usable. So I brought in this song. I'm going to play it. You might want to turn down your volume a little bit. All right, so let's play this song just a little bit. So that's the result I got where it doesn't work so well. All right, guys, so what you're going to do is you're going to bring in your track into Adobe Audition. You're going to go into your effects track. And then what you're going to first do is I would reduce the volume a little bit. And then you go into stereo imagery, center channel extractor, and first you just want to amplify the vocals. What this does is amplifies the center channel a little bit. So let's see what it sounds like with the central channel extracted. Alright, so you can see the output is ridiculously loud, so you just want to reduce the output and actually the input a little bit as well. And then what you're going to do next is the magic is you're going to go to Central Channel Extractor, you're going to go to Acapella, and you don't want anything under 200, so 204 doesn't matter. And then you do crossover to around 80% or so, and let's listen to this, what it sounds like. I'm going to disable it. So guys, that's a usable acapella that you can, you can also bring in a EQ that you guys use, and let's do a 30 band EQ and let's mess with it. So you can see when EQ helps a little bit. And guys, when you do your remix, when you add your plucks, your chords, your bass, you're not going to be able to tell where this acapella is from. And boom, that's how you make an acapella. And what you can also do is, let's say you like the settings, you hit this button in Audition, and boom, you save it as a preset. So then you just pull down and you hit your acapella preset and you are ready to go. Guys, that's how we make acapella. If you like the content, subscribe, like, comment, and also I have a podcast that you can click on the right-hand side into the cards and subscribe to. You can get it on iTunes, Pocket Cast, basically anywhere you get your podcast. They're bite-sized tips for music producers. So I will see you at the next one.